Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Lenovo model actually has a keyboard light. Many think Pad and IdeaPad models do. Once confirmed, open Windows and install Lenovo Vantage if it's missing, then update the keyboard driver from Device Manager. Make sure you know the key combo, commonly FN plus space or FN plus F5/F6, and try it now. If nothing happens, enter BIOS/UEFI to verify the keyboard backlight option is enabled. Make that change and reboot so the system, once the light responds, fine-tune how it behaves. Use the FN shortcut for quick on/off and brightness steps, then open Lenovo Vantage to set precise brightness and auto-off timeout so the light saves battery. Make sure Windows Mobility Center isn't overriding behavior. If the light flickers or only some levels work, update or roll back the keyboard driver and check for keyboard firmware updates in Vantage. After driver changes, restart the machine so Windows and the firmware reinitialize together. To finish, test each brightness step and the auto-off timing. Make sure the light returns after sleep or lid close. If the backlight still fails, reset embedded controller or load BIOS defaults. This clears low-level power state issues. Reinstall the keyboard driver, uninstall then reboot, and update BIOS if needed. If none of that works, note your serial number and model, then contact Lenovo support. Troubleshooting tip: try an external USB keyboard to confirm the issue is the laptop hardware versus system software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.